STAR is the safest and the smallest nuclear reactor in the world. The concept of small modular reactors is gaining popularity across the globe, especially in countries using or planning to use nuclear energy. The total installed capacity of SMR will grow to approximately 81 gigawatts in the world, and the SMR market will reach $400 to $650 billion by 2035, thus presenting a new energy market. SMR boasting the capacity of 30 to 40 megawatts thermal and up to 10 megawatts electric is the most in demand on the market. There are no such facilities in operation to date, and their development has not gone beyond the conceptual stage. All existing SMR designs fail to meet market needs fully due to high cost and too large productive capacity. Many countries have initiated governmental programs to develop SMR, and these projects are already funded. For example, the Government of Ontario, Canada, has adopted a program for development of nuclear energy in various remote areas in the northern part of the province. They intend to gradually substitute current diesel-electric generators with SMR. Similar programs are being adopted in the USA, UK, South Africa, and other countries. Star Energy SA, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, has developed the concept design STAR, which stands for Safe Tiny Atomic Reactor. It has such features as suitable capacity, long lifetime, rear refueling, low cost, and easy scaling. An expert review has shown that this project is one of a kind, thanks to unique patented scientific and technical solutions used in the design of SMR Star. It uses no pressure vessel, while featuring a small amount of nuclear fuel, along with its underground placement and other safety features. It makes Star the safest nuclear reactor design in the world. All known SMR designs involve a pressure vessel, which increases the weight of the reactor of the same capacity to 300 to 600 tons, making it impossible to deliver a completely assembled reactor module to the operation site. STAR is extremely small and lightweight. It can be delivered by helicopter to any part of the world. And as such, it is a unique solution for the huge market of remote places where rate amounts to about $0.50 per kilowatt hour. That is why this project is extremely profitable. There is no way other competitive sources of energy can be introduced there. STAR has several modifications. For example, it can be used as an electric power source, thermal energy source for district heating, desalination of salty water, or in combination. What makes the STAR project special, economic-wise? Low cost of energy, option of installation in high energy cost areas, short payback period, and easy scaling by adding new modules. All of these can help match the energy demand in a region, save capital investment, and bring in big profit. These features make STAR in demand and promising for a huge new market. According to experts, the company's capitalization will exceed $30 billion. The nuclear industry already uses all materials, parts, and nuclear fuel employed by STAR, so you don't have to waste your time on any further R&D. We've got a well-experienced and highly qualified team of specialists in nuclear reactor construction and nuclear safety, who are ready and willing to build your SMR Star pilot plant in 3 to 4 years from the start of financing. This makes STAR the first in the SMR market. Serial STAR modules construction time will be less than 1 year from the moment you place an order, and during a year, hundreds of modules can be produced and sold. Invest in STAR Energy, the nearest future of the new energy market. For more information, please visit our website and contact us at www.starenergysa.com.